Hey everybody, it's Mitch Taylor. I'm excited to be speaking up at the International Hoof Care Summit this year. I'll be doing two things. A 2-hour wet lab where we'll be studying anatomy, biomechanics of the distal limb. I'll be bringing my Philotron machine or the loading press. We'll be loading legs to check out the dynamics of the suspension apparatus and the foot under full load. I'm also be doing a PowerPoint on some research I've been doing on some the hind end of racehorses. So we've been filming horses at 1,000 frames per second with accelerometers on their feet and on the hips, trying to decide what's going on with the loading phases of the stride of galloping racehorses. So I'm excited to be coming to the summit this year and hope to see you all there.